What's up, enthusiasts? It's your boy Rob, back with another video. Guys, I've got to bless you again with the Table Salt logo and not my face. I've got my 3D printer running in my office where I usually do my videos, my recording, and my gaming and all that stuff. And I know you guys do not want to hear my 3D printer whining back and forth as it produces beautiful tabletop terrain for me to game with. So, without further ado, let's get to business. Guys, Mantic HQ just released a press release announcing that they will be producing, yeah, that's right, a Halo miniatures tabletop game. That's right, go ahead, everyone, start cheering. Okay, I'll give you time. I'll give you guys time to just totally freak out. All right, good. Now, if you're around my age, you remember the LAN parties and how epic they used to be. Go ahead and smash the like button to let us know that you remember those days, that you can reminisce, and that this release will be nothing but nostalgia dripping awesomeness. So I'm pretty pumped for this, guys. Now, Mantic's press release, I'm going to read a little bit from that, and then I will give you guys a little bit of my thoughts, some things that are percolating in my head about the little bit that they are saying right now about the game. So here we go. Today, UK-based tabletop studio Mantic Games announces a partnership with 343 Industries to launch a brand new Halo miniatures combat game. Let's see, launching directly to retail in September 2024, which is my birthday month, guys, hint hint. Halo fans can eagerly look forward to amazing Spartan miniatures that bring Halo multiplayer battles to life in an expertly crafted team combat game experience for tabletop newcomers and veterans alike. Guys, you know that this game will bring some new faces to the tabletop hobby, which is always a good thing. Now, if they will stick around for the long run, we don't know, but it is a welcome breath of fresh air, having new faces come and being able to introduce friends. You may have some older friends that, again, grew up playing Halo from back in the day, or that's into Halo now. I don't know if they've currently got a video game. I haven't played video games in quite some time, but I'm sure that with the Halo TV show going on, I think that's Paramount Plus, it's a good time to release something like this. And let's jump down. I'm going to continue reading this here. I'm going to skip. There's two bits from, I think Ronnie says something, and then someone from 343 says something. We're going to skip that stuff. You guys can go to the Mantic website and see that for yourself, but that's kind of your standard, like, hey, we're just happy to be partnered with X to do so and so. All right, so Mantic Games and 343 Industries will be pulling back the curtains soon on this exciting new addition to the Halo universe. Halo and the miniature gaming fans around the world can expect their first preview of the new game in March 2024. So March 2024, guys, that's 2 months away. 2 months, 3 months, however you want to say that. March, it's the third month. It's right around the corner. Guys, so we can be expecting to see something soon. How much they will be showing us, who's to say? I'm assuming we're going to get some artwork. We'll probably get our first renders of miniatures, which is going to be the most exciting part. I mean, if it's a miniatures game, I'm glad it's actually a miniatures game and not a board game. Now, if you guys remember, back in the day, there was a miniatures game. There was a Clicks game. It was a Clicks game. So that's where are you at with that one? Clicks game for Halo. I remember the miniatures were ugly. This was back in the Clicks days when all their models were pretty terrible, but they were pre-painted, so it was like, okay. And that was kind of like the only thing I can remember there being for a Halo. As far as tabletop hobbying, I'm pretty sure you guys might know some other things, but that's all I can remember as far as coming out of the Halo camp for us tabletop gamers. Now, I did see somewhere else that they're planning on making these models fairly large. I want to say 35 to 40 millimeter, and if it's 40 millimeter, that's just way too big. I think that's the Shatterpoint. Is that the Shatterpoint size, guys? If that's the Shatterpoint scale, let me know. I know, just looking at the Shatterpoint and the reserve I had for that it was just like, okay, those are bigger models. Their terrain for 28 millimeter is not going to look appropriate, I feel like, when trying to scale, when they're placed next to the miniatures of that scale. So not looking forward to the scale if that's the case. Now, if this is true, I may not end up playing the game. I'll probably still buy miniatures, just a few, just to kind of have, but as far as playing a game, I'm not going to produce, or I'm not going to print or anything like that, or spend the time and invest in terrain of that scale, just when the industry standard is still 28 mil. I mean, you can get away with 32 as well. But it's, again, I prefer for things to go towards a smaller end. Like 20 mil is ideal for me. I know 20 mil is foreign to a lot of you guys out there, but I honestly enjoy playing in 20 mil, 1/72nd scale. So guys, you let me know as well in the comments if what scale you prefer, if they end up being like Shatterpoint or larger miniatures, if that will be a turnoff to you guys. As it is right now, we don't really have much to go off of. We don't have any rules or anything to reference. I was thinking that they would just recycle some rules from one of their games, maybe The Walking Dead. I don't know if that would work as well with the Halo franchise, but one thing is certain: Mantic will have all the assets they need to produce whatever they need for this game. So artwork, renders, everything will be available to them. So looking forward to that and seeing how Mantic handles this. This is going to be a very big opportunity for them to really stamp their name in the brains of some new tabletop enthusiasts. So guys, with that, I'll leave it there. Looking forward to just hearing more about this in March. And when they do talk about this, and when they do release some info in March, I'll make sure I make a follow-up video. But other than that, guys, I'll see you when I see you.